In front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to tap on Sounds and Vibration. Now you can click on Vibrate at the top, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also select Ring on the left, and then click on this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to enable or disable haptic feedback for your incoming calls. Scroll, click on Haptics here, and tap on this switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!